Hey guys, how's it going? I'm just making this video here to explain how the temperatures affect the cable tension. Basically, my hunch is that when things are at room temperature and you tension the cables, and then you run a long hot print with the chamber closed and everything, it builds up temperatures inside and causes the string to get tight, and that's what's causing parts to get stressed and even break. So I think that it's very important that the cable tension is set correctly, and if it's too tight you can damage your printer. I think that that's why we see a lot of broken parts. Anyway, so what I have going here is I've got two temperature probes that are going to be checking the ambient temperature, or the temperature inside the chamber, so the actual probes are not touching the string. So I'm taking readings very close to the string, and then I have my meter right here. So each temperature probe is set to one or the other here, so they're both very similar, about 20 degrees Celsius, room temperature. So I'm going to start a print, and at the end of the print I'm going to come down and immediately check the internal temperature at that spot, those two spots, and also the tension of the string. So I'll turn the printer off here a second and turn on the light here, so you can kind of hear the tension there. It's just barely tight enough to hear a note starting to ring out. So on the next video, I mean, normally I'd have a guitar tuner, but I tried a guitar tuner and I just don't think they're tight enough to actually register on the guitar tuner. And I think if they're tight enough to register on a guitar tuner, they're probably too tight. So there should be a pretty drastic difference between these two videos. After I'm done with the print, I'm gonna open it up. First, we'll check the temp on the meter, and then I'll pluck the strings again, and we'll be able to tell generally that they're tighter than before. So stay tuned for the next video. Take care, guys.